It's your boy Joey B. We're here in the real kitchen, and I'm hanging out with my boy Jeremy. If you don't know who Jeremy is, then you haven't been up to date with all the real sportswear knowledge, because he's been here since day freaking one. Tell him what you do, Jeremy.
Man, so I'm a full-time worker and a part-time fisherman, man. So my dream is to always fish as much as I can. So that's what I do. That's what I chase. So it's one of those things, man. I just love to chase my dreams. So that's it. Man. I love to fish. That's what keeps me going.
Ripping lips, ripping sips, right? Ripping lips and taking sips.
That's it, man.
Whatever, keeping it real.
That's it.
All right, so you're gonna cook us some fish that we caught?
Yeah, some fresh black drum.
Some fresh black drum.
Fresh blackened black drum.
Fresh blackened black drum.
Try saying that 3 times. Fresh
blackened black drum. Blackened black drum. Blackened black drum.
That's good. That's good. That's solid. I would say that's good.
Blackened black drum. Yo, Jeremy does this for a living. He catches these fish, brings them home, cooks them, eats them. So I'm gonna see how he likes to prepare his fish. All right, let's do it.
Let's do it, man. So I like to keep it simple, man. After being in the sun all day, I'm tired. I get home. No, like today. I mean, I'm sunburnt. I'm hot.
Yeah.
I just want to eat something, make something easy, quick. Let's keep it simple. That's always my motto. Keep it simple, keep it good, keep it fresh, right? That's the main thing. Keep it fresh.
We say in the industry, keep it simple, stupid, kiss.
And then keep it real.
Yeah,
that's all we gotta
keep
do.
it real.
That's all I gotta do, man. So today we're just doing some blackened drum. Blackened black drum.
Blackened black drum.
Blackened black drum tacos.
Blackened black drum.
Simple, easy. There's not very many ingredients.
Blackened black drum.
That's it. Blackened black drum.
Blackened black drum.
That's all we're gonna do.
Are you making your own blackened seasoning? Get to work, man.
Yeah, man,
Come on,
let's do it.
Get to work. That is a beautiful.
That is a beautiful black drum. Roughly, 26, 27-inch black drum. Some of the things we're catching right now. That's what we're loaded with right now. So we're catching them. So this is fresh, solid pieces of fish, just in our course. What we carry it around is in a gallon bag. All right, that's the way we carry.
Tell you about them gallon bags.
That's the way we carry our fish. And everywhere I go, you can find me with some of these somewhere.
Hey, I want to tell you about them damn gallon bags. See, keeps it real. Hey, so we got food, but we also need some drinks because after
a long day, I'm thirsty. I'm very thirsty.
I'm thirsty. So
it's been hot today. It's been really hot. So I said we call our assistants.
Assistants. There's that arm.
Cheers, amigo.
Cheers.
Let's do it.
Nothing beats Texas sweet tea. All right, let's get to the blackened black drum tacos.
All right, so blackened black drum tacos. My custom made. Just kidding. It's actually Magic Spice from HEB. Well, I wouldn't say HEB.
That's that shit.
It's good. It's good. It's easy.
Poppadoms. If you don't know about poppadoms, man, it's one of the best.
We're not gonna. Yeah, but that's our blackening season. That is our blackening seasoning.
We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it easy.
With that.
At the end of the day, no olive oil yet. Just yet. I would say just put your spice on there.
Yeah.
Our fish is already dry from sitting for a second. So we'll get it nice and spicy. I'm all about the coverage.
Yeah, you're not scared. I like that.
We got to cover every little square inch.
He don't even cook in a kitchen, but this boy know how to season. Yeah.
We're lucky right now that winds kind of died down on us a little bit. It's been windy this last 2 or 3 months.
Oh yeah, it's been gnarly. It's been
very generous with our seasoning.
Windstorm. I like the generous. All right, fine. You want to see how I popperdome? This is how I popperdome. Can we get a slow mo on this? Oh shit! I don't know why we did our own slow-mo. We have technical. So we got the fish blackened. What do we do next?
Our next thing to do is cut it up in good chunks to put on the little Blackstone right there. So we're gonna cut it in good little chunks. Got one of the good knives. I saw your last couple of episodes where there's a question about knives. So
this is a seasoned knife.
This is the fishing guide special.
You saw the last episode?
We're true believers of. I'm not gonna say that brand, but we're true believers of white handle knives around here. So we're gonna cut them up in little chunks. I'm not too worried about size proportions or anything like that.
Okay, that's a chunk. That's a chunk. That's a mini fillet.
We're looking at tacos, man. We're just looking at one hearty taco per slice. Is what we're doing. There's nothing special, nothing crazy. That's it. We're done.
Okay.
So our next thing from here, we gotta get our Blackstone. We got our Blackstone going. We're gonna get it hot.
Okay.
Put a little bit of vegetable oil. Maybe hit it with some butter. Basically, our main thing to do is blacken each side. I would say, man, roughly what, about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side is probably overdoing it, but maybe, you know, I kind of like my fish a little bit dry. You know, most people won't say, oh yeah, I like it, you know, a couple whatever here and there, but I eat a lot of fish, so I have a certain little flavor of my fish, so I'm gonna do roughly.
So you like your fish just a little more done, or
a little more done. You know, that's just the way I've always been. I've been eating fish since I've been a young kid, man. So
textures of preference.
Textures of preference.
We have the fish prepared. And now you suckered me into helping you
make a good salsa verde.
But you suckered me into making a good, quick salsa verde.
That's the main thing. Quick
salsa verde, right?
Quick, simple, and easy.
What the crap is that? Something jumped on you. So check it out. It's quick. So you have me at quick, which means I'm super quick. It's a challenge, not a Rockstar challenge.
not yet.
Okay. So quick, easy salsa. If you want to, you could roast it, right?
Yeah, roasting's always it's always kind of like the #1 way to do it.
It's also longer.
It's a little longer. You know, you get the roasted flavor taste, but me, I like the freshness of it.
Yeah.
So all these ingredients have their own freshness, right? So each freshness has its own little kick of punch to it. So I think that, to me, is a better taste of having something roasted. I mean, we eat roasted stuff all day, right?
Right. We got blackened right here, so to counteract blackened, we want some fresh, right?
Something fresh.
Up top.
Something fresh, good, and
cool.
easy.
Also, on top of that, like, these vegetables, they're all real vegetables.
I grew 100%.
Yes. Hey. He's got a garden that makes.
Well, I had the sticker.
Yeah.
I had the sticker.
Hey!
I love that.
Hell yeah! You fell. Okay, so let's cut up this stuff. How do I cut it up? How do you want me to cut it up?
So honestly, everything the way I do it is cut in half. Cut in half.
Okay, half. This is kind of big, so.
So this is our.
Oh, hold up!
This is our.
That knife. You see that knife?
Good.
After 3 whole episodes,
the sharper.
We got a knife.
Sharp knife. We got fresh garlic, fresh cilantro, white onion.
White onion.
Well, that's it,
brother.
Our little container. So we got leftovers, our cilantro and our garlic.
Cilantro and garlic. Okay, so I'm gonna do one thing though.
Yeah,
you see this little part right there? This is like that's the germ. Okay. The germ is a little bitter. Okay. It kind of makes, you know, no bitterness. Nobody likes it. You can eat it if you want.
I think the more garlic, the better. So you're not offending me.
Because we hate vampires. Yeah. And it's getting kind of late because we've been fishing all freaking day.
Long day.
Taking sips and ripping lips, brother.
That's it, brother. We have a lot of garlic. I love it though. I'm all about that.
I'll fuck it. I'm putting it all in.
I love garlic.
I'm just kidding. That's dangerous. Don't ever do that at home.
It's okay.
Okay.
I do want to see how you cut this cilantro. I'm there. Like,
but it's
I'm a 90-year-old man. I'm there trying to cut slice by slice by slice. I do.
You want to know how I cut cilantro?
Cut
like a degenerate.
What do you mean? I thought there was a special technique or some.
Nah, it's going in the blender, silly.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. Is it gonna fit our little Amazon cup? You're gonna have to make it fit.
Make it fit.
That's in a good
that blends.
So. A little bit of pepper, a little bit. Most of the time, I always use chili patines, but my plant's gone, so I don't.
Patine?
Chili patine. I always use
patine or pekin?
Pekin. What is it? Chili pekin or chili patine?
Patines are longer.
Pekin or patine?
Both.
I don't fucking know.
I use both.
I think it's pekin.
Oh, you're going brave. You're using the pepper. You're using the seeds. Oh.
Hey, you said fresh, right? I don't want to keep it fresh. You damn seeds, brother.
Luckily, we're off tomorrow.
Yeah. Fishing all day, fishing all night.
You smell that.
Gotta eat
just a latter day.
Yeah, just a latter day.
It's gonna be solid. So that, and what I like to do is get a fresh, right there, a little fresh.
Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to roll it out. Oh shit, that's juicy.
That's juice. There we go. Now we're talking lime. There we go. That's what we've been waiting for the whole time.
Yeah, there we go.
A little bit of olive oil just to get some little liquid.
A little bit of olive oil?
Yeah, or a lot of bit of olive oil. The more olive oil, the better. That's always
avocado oil.
Oh, it's avocado oil.
Avocado and then a sprinkle of salt just to get a little hint of something in there.
I mean, what's a sprinkle, right?
It's a dash. Dash or pan. That's a lot of salt. Yeah, that's
You think so?
I'm already salty enough. If you want some more, I got plenty on my skin still. So we'll put that on.
All right,
so now here's the magic trick. We gotta see if our little cheap blender top fits on top.
The magic trick.
All right, so let's see. Time for the truth.
Fucking
man,
make
you
it
got it
fit.
down.
Fucking make it fit.
Hopefully this blender works. I've never used it before.
I will muscle fuck the shit out of this.
Yeah. You gotta, that's how you know it's gonna be good. When there's a cilantro hanging down from the side, that's how you know it's gonna
Get in there! This is our deconstructed salsa.
Yeah, that's salsa. That's it.
For all you fancy fuckers out there, this is deconstructed. We're about to construct it. Fucking pan over.
How many?
Let's go.
All right, let's do it, guys.
Let's go.
Sucker's fried up.
That's how. I got this. This is a real ass cooking show.
Yeah.
All right.
Our proportions are a little off.
And this isn't gonna be. This isn't the first time we're trying it. This is the third time we're trying it. We needed to add a little fucking water in there, a little liquid, so that the blade can move. All right, third try. Here we go. It's a charm.
Did I get the wrong head? I have the wrong head.
Hold on. It's the same night, but we finally found the right blender. So, now on high, we are rotating our salsa.
That thing's fancy.
That thing was annoying.
I'll give it a taste. See if you can try.
Can I do a blind taste test?
Sure.
Yeah. Tomatillos, jalapeno, garlic, onion, cilantro, and a dash of salt. Not a pinch, a dash. Oh, and some water.
I messed up on the first one.
That was our blind taste test. Salsa, you like?
I like it because it's not too hot. It does have a little kick at the end, right?
Yeah. This is the fresh part of the Blackened Black Drum.
First Blackened Black Drum. So we're gonna put it on this hot cast iron griddle right here. Make sure you get that nice little
black stone.
Black stone. Get that nice little sizzle on it. Oh, I think that knife didn't really work out there. That's okay. Don't be shy. Use your hands.
Hit it with a little bit.
That's our best friend when cooking. That's our best friend when we're cooking.
All right. You see that right there? If it's dancing, if it's dancing, that means there's music happening. It's making music, right?
Making good.
Because it's dancing. That's the stupidest shit I've ever said, but it makes sense.
I like it. It makes sense though. What I like to do is get a little bit of olive oil both sides, so it makes it get that nice little brown color.
Okay, I'm gonna show you a technique I do too. Throw it down, right? Okay, back up. You smack that bitch.
Oh.
Check that out. You see that? When you smack that bitch, it does like when I smack it like that, it kind of presses it to where it creates this little air pocket. See, like all these little air pockets start opening up.
Okay, so
there is a reason why I slap it. Yeah. The slap is just to kind of agitate and separate. Get a little more air in there. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I mean, this. You see that when you hit it, it starts to pop up a little more. Best thing about tortilla is when it separates and it turns into a pillow.
Okay.
Exactly, or a little bosom, a little butt. All right, let's go chop up some cabbage, right?
So this right here, honestly, before today, I don't know what it was called, but I just like the color. So I always go by colors. I don't know exactly what things are called, but I've seen it in a picture. I've seen it somewhere, so I know this goes to the toppings. So that's the way I buy stuff, right?
Right.
So this is our topping. I have no idea how to cut them, so.
Check it out. Right here, we have a core. Split it in half, right? We come down this core. This core is very bitter. Okay. You do a little V like that. Core it.
Okay.
That right there.
That's we don't want that.
I mean, but this is for composting.
Well, that's kind of like a
for our garden that we have.
That's kind of like a bloodline as a fish too. So on a fish, essentially, like you don't want the bloodline. So the bloodline has a more gamier taste to it. So essentially, you don't want that.
We're gonna peel it off a little bit. We're gonna real thin. Like cabbage is better when it's real thin.
It would have taken me 2 weeks to do that.
We're gonna roll it up a little bit. Yeah, this is a fucking knife, baby. If you cut them in these little quarters, that's the best way to squeeze a lime, is quartered limes. All right, so you get your taco.
All right, so we got our fish.
No, hold on, do this one. Do that one
more?
Too. Yeah, you need to
get a full taco.
Okay, now what?
All right, let's put our little garnish of our little cabbage. Put a little bit of cabbage on top.
Fuck yeah.
I'll do the same.
Okay.
Our salsa next.
All right, here, I'll give you some salsa.
Ooh, get it all over. I'm a big salsa guy.
You're a big salsa guy?
Big salsa guy.
Oh yeah, me too.
All right, and I think the only thing we're missing is a little bit
Lime?
of squeezed lime.
Oh hell yeah!
Cheers.
Hey, this is like after a long day of fishing.
Oh man, it's fresh. It tastes good.
Okay.
It's easy.
Didn't take us long to make.
No,
Cheers.
easy. Cheers, man. Let's do it.
Right. Oh, that's what here's fucking bomb. That makes everything worth it. Like all the bullshit we went through today, the wind, the fucking bouncing off the waves and the wakes and shit like that, and the asshole fishermen who like create the wakes and shit, and it makes my lower back hurt. It was all
My
worth
back
it.
does hurt 24/7. That's a good bite, man. I do like that. That is very
That
good.
tortilla?
It's fresh. Tortilla's great.
You see how it got crunchy but
I
soft
do
on the other
like
side?
that. Yeah,
That's
it's
the
easy.
shit.
I never knew that you can stack a tortilla like that.
All right. Get in the comments. Tell us what you think. How you like the episode. Cook it yourself.
It's easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. That's always my motto. I always cook simple, easy, fresh. Everything was, it's right there. It's easy.
You only cook fish and this. I mean, that was fucking easy. I mean,
you cut everything. So
if we wouldn't have bullshitted, we could have done it in half the time.
Yeah.
But like, subscribe, share, do all that shit. It's your boy Jeremy. It's your boy Joey. Double J in the house.
Yeah. I like
Ooh,
that. I like
shit.
That. We should open a restaurant.
Hell yeah. Tell us how you like your fish tacos and what salsa you want. It doesn't matter. Recipe down in the description. Peace out, hang loose. Keep that shit real.
And don't forget to wear real sportswear. That's it, right?
Double
We
high
did it,
five.
man. We did it.
Oh,
That's a
good
good
one.
fucking taco. What's a taco next, guys? Those tacos are fucking awesome, dude. Like, that is a solid motherfucking bite. With 2 cents in my fucking mouth, I still took a bite. Oh, yeah. Get in there, boy. Woo! Yeah. That is fucking awesome.
Here.
That was good, dude.
Oh, shit. That's good.